Hello, I'm Kunal Sethi, Director of Man Machine Car Care Private Limited and Man Machine Group. Man Machine Group is a pioneer of mechanized cleaning business in India since 1987. And I want to introduce you to the Detailing Mafia, our premium chain of car detailing studios, offering world-class experience to customers in terms of services, products, and ambiance. I am offering you a franchise concept of owning an ultimate car detailing studio, which has come with experience of more than 30 years, and running company-owned stores in Delhi NCR shows our belief in the concept and proven profitability and customer satisfaction. Why car detailing business? India is today the fourth largest manufacturer of cars. Today, people are very choosy about their cars and features and want to have cars always looking new and shiny. Last year, 3.5 million cars were sold, and sales of C category and above cars were more than 1.3 million. These customers want to have services above a normal car wash and detailing. Today, quality customers are becoming time poor, and they want to trust their beloved car to a professional studio, where their cars are treated with international facilities and methods with trained manpower. There is a big growth in number of cars from young people, and they want to have their cars shining, as a good-looking car is becoming a status symbol. Why Detailing Mafia franchise? 1. We are part of a 33-year-old group and an ISO 9001-2015 compliant firm. Cleaning is our core business, and we bring experience. 2. The Detailing Mafia is a premium car spa and not an ordinary car wash, where premium car owners would feel safe to take their cars and enjoy the ambiance. You will be part of a truly national chain, as we have franchises in Delhi, Noida, Jaipur, Ludhiana, Indore, Mumbai, Chennai, Kochi, Nagarkoil, Vizag, Vijayawada, Hyderabad. 3. We bring Opticoat and Labo Cosmetica state-of-the-art true ceramic coating to India to deliver the highest customer satisfaction. 4. You get the ultimate paint protection film, PPF, both in TPU and TPH, on cars for your customers through the Detailing Mafia. 5. The Detailing Mafia brings for the first time Clarity Coat Spray-On Clear Paint Protection System, CPPS, from UK under an exclusive agreement, unmatched service to premium customers where they can even change the color of their cars. 6. The Detailing Mafia offers the best ROI with minimum investments in the current segments with no hidden costs. 7. We have a unique online CRM software that will facilitate all CRM activities in your area. 8. Man Machine Car Care is exclusive distributor in subcontinent of all products used in the Detailing Mafia. These products are exclusive for our network and can't be sourced from market, such as lightning system from Buff Bright, detailing brushes from the Detail Factory, bucket wash system from Grit Guard USA, proper detailing pads from Lake Country USA, and innovative dual-action rotary polishers from Zen Tool. And all our machines are approved by leading companies such as Mahindra & Mahindra, Tata Motors, Renault, BMW, Jaguar, Land Rover, and Bajaj, just to name a few. These give you the cutting edge over the entire market. 9. Our products are serviced at 56 locations across the country, so we won't leave you high and dry after selling the franchise. 10. Through Detailing Mafia, we offer 9 detailing programs to customers with the best detailing experience. 11. We provide free installation and training to our franchise, and I give free training upgrade every 6 months at your location. 12. Complete guidance, insight visits in choosing location, designing of your detailing studio, and setup. 13. 20% of franchising fees is spent on joint promotion with you in your area promoting your outlet. 14. Ready designs of all advertising material, stationery, and maintenance checklists provided to you, and uniforms for your staff. 15. Centralized digital marketing support to build your online campaigns and generate leads, thereby promoting your outlet on various digital platforms. 16. Our existing franchisees are our best reference, and they are continuing to enjoy all the things above and are looking at opening their second stores also. What we need from our franchisees. 1. Enthusiastic young entrepreneur with passion for cars and detailing. 2. Capability to invest 30 to 50 lakhs depending on your location or site. 3. excellent communication skills, and team player. 4. A centrally located location. 5. Technology savvy to host marketing on digital platforms. 6. 6 months running cost and branding backup. So what are you waiting for? Visit us at www.thedetailingmafia.com or call us at 80-100-44000 and let's join hands to help you start your new venture.